What's going on, everybody? Here I have a 2003 Saturn VUE utility color gray. It's got the all-wheel drive. It's another one of our newest lot vehicles. I'm over here at Automart in Hanover, Massachusetts. This is going to be a full in-depth tour of the VUE. Start it up, show the engine, show some of the features on the interior of the Saturn as well as exterior. Without further ado, let's start up and let it run. First time ever checking out one of these Saturns. Seat's already adjusted. Your windows are right there. Driver's side window is automatic. Well, let's start up and see how it runs. It's got 95,096 miles. Well, let's start her up. There, it steers very easily. Automatic driver's side window. Okay, we'll go ahead and cut on the hazards. Cut the lights on. I think the fog lights are already on. I'm gonna pop the hood. Now let's check out the exterior. Now let's check out the hood. It's got the 2.2 liter 4-cylinder engine. I can tell it's got a working air conditioner. This one doesn't have fog lights, but something you can depend on. It's got an all-wheel drive. And we got a license plate light out. let's check out the interior. Got your cruise control.
Your name will never appear on any delivery, and there will be...
Jim 94.5, I'm Bobby Blaze, man. Still 60 minutes commercial free. But trust me when I say...
This event ends Monday, so hurry in. Happy Independence Day, everyone. Certain restrictions apply. See store for details.
Make sure your low fares stay low to Phoenix with no bag fees from Southwest Airlines. Grab your bag. It's on with new nonstop from Boston low to the Phoenix starting September 7th. Get your nonstop flight now.
Creepy.
Southwest.com. Wait and size limits apply.
It's got the sunroof. Automatic sunroof.
$5 foot long sub, the deliciously new Orchard Chicken Salad. Available for a limited time. Get yours. Subway. Eat fresh.
It's 108 traffic. Northbound, you got a crash by 95 that has you jammed all the way back to Route 28. 93 northbound is tapping the brakes from Medford Square up to 128. On the southbound side, you're losing speed now from the Leverett getting down to the Zaco. I'm Jack.
Perfect air conditioning.
First, you can hear the entire album at Kiss108.com. Keyword on demand.
Talk about new music. Latest from Kiss concert star Jason Derulo.
Alright, let's do another walk around. Yeah, roll the window up. Well, I hope you all enjoyed this full in-depth tour of the Saturn VUE. Until next time, please rate and comment today and please subscribe. Thank you for watching.